In this video, you will learn how to view and edit roaming policy for multiple SIM via Thing Group. When you are in the Monogoto portal, let's select Things Groups from the function belt. Please press on the Edit button in your Thing Group. In the Thing Group editing window, please press on Roaming button. In order to see available SIM card types, please press on Network Provider. Select a SIM card type that you wish to edit or view. It is normal if you have only one available SIM card type. In addition, please note that each SIM card type restrictions are edited separately, and you may place restrictions for all SIM card types in the same Thing Group. Now that you have selected a SIM card type, you can view all available operators for your selected SIM card type. In case we want to use search to find an operator, you may use a browser search. For Windows, please press Ctrl+F. For Mac, please press Command+F. When you have enabled search, you can now enter a country or an operator name to search it in the list. In case you want to restrict operators or their functionality, please click on the Override button. Click on Roaming Policy to see a list of available roaming policies. Select the latest roaming policy. Please note that it is normal if you have only one available roaming policy. Now that we have a SIM card type and roaming policy selected, you need to find an operator or country that you wish to edit. In this example, we are using search to find an Albania country, since we want to make restrictions for the Albania Vodafone operator. To enable editing of roaming settings, please click on an Override Row button near the operator. Now that we have enabled roaming editing, we may select what we wish to restrict. Since in this example we want to block our SIM cards from using Vodafone operator in Albania, therefore we will mark Block Roaming. To save settings, we scroll down to the end of the page and click on Save and Back button. After saving, we will be returned to the Thing Group editing window, where we can see that our restriction has been applied on this Thing Group. To save our changes to Thing Group roaming policy, please scroll down to the end of the page and click on Save and Close button. If you are greeted with a notification informing about successful Thing Group saving, that means your changes to Thing Group roaming policy have been accepted. Please note that your changes take effect after about 5 minutes, and then changes are applied to your SIM cards the next time they attempt to make network registration or open a new data session. In case we want to remove our placed roaming restrictions, please go again into the Thing Group roaming restrictions editing window and unmark what restriction we wish to remove. Please note that by unmarking Override Row, we will remove all restrictions placed on the operator. In case we want to remove all roaming restrictions for a SIM card type, please press Unmark Override. To save the removal of roaming restrictions, please scroll down to the end of the page and click on Save and Back button. If we have removed all roaming restrictions, we should see that no roaming restrictions have been set. To save our changes of removing roaming restrictions in this Thing Group, please scroll down to the end of the page and click on Save and Close button. Thank you for watching.